The endless content creation, the low-ticket sales, the tech headaches. What if there was a way to generate $20,000 a month with tiny sales and almost zero effort? For years, online success meant building complex funnels, chasing endless traffic, and settling for tiny commissions. But Frank Andrus, the giveaway guy, has cracked the code with the Profit Hub system. It's not dropshipping, it's not traditional affiliate marketing, it's a game changer. At its heart, the Profit Hub system is about becoming a digital middleman. You get a pre-built Profit Hub, a high-converting landing page that connects businesses needing high-value services with automated fulfillment providers. The genius? You never perform the service yourself. It's a zero fulfillment model. Forget 1,000 sales for $10 each. We focus on the math of 10. Just a handful of high-ticket sales can generate massive income. Imagine, one hub generating $2,000 a month is like owning a $400,000 rental property without the debt. How does it work? 3 powerful strategies. 1. Automated lead extraction. The system identifies warm leads, businesses already spending on ads but underperforming. No cold calling, no guesswork. 2. Done-for-you ecosystem. Get pre-built hub templates, complete with sales copy and automated follow-ups. Just plug and play your niche. And 3. Free traffic secret. Discover how to leverage hidden organic traffic loops, eliminating the need for expensive ad budgets. This isn't theory, it's proven. Ordinary people just like you are seeing extraordinary results. Imagine making your first $1,500 commission in just 2 weeks. The system is designed for speed and simplicity, making online income attainable for anyone, regardless of technical skill or prior experience. Ready to transform your financial future? The Profit Hub System Founders Membership is your shortcut to massive monthly income. Click the link below to claim your pre-built Profit Hub, access exclusive training, and start your journey to $20,000 a month. Don't miss out on this limited opportunity.